Hello everyone, this is Unity Edu Consult and my name is Joshua Kingston. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use fill down the right way. If you have like multiple activities and you want to change your calendar, changing it one by one will stress you, it will delay you, you understand, because Primavera P6 is a wide software. Sometimes you can have over 1,500 activities at once, you understand. So let's move over to Primavera P6. For example, I want to change this corporate standard full-time to my own calendar, to the calendar I just created. This is it, SPB calendar. So I'll come over to my right hand side and click on select. So instead of me to add in the calendar one by one, there's something called fill down in Primavera P6. So if I want to change the calendars in the first WBS, which is project initiation, I'll click on that activity that I added the new calendar, and I'll click on shift, and I'll click on the last activity in that WBS. I will right click and I'll come down to this place that says fill down. I'll click on it, and I will click out. As you can see, you will see the new calendar in that particular WBS in all the activities. And assuming I want to add that new calendar in the whole activities in this particular project, I'll just click on this first one and I will scroll down. I'll hold shift and click on the last activity here. I'll right click to where I have fill down. Can you see? I'll click on it here. So here is it. We have this particular calendar in all the activities, and I will run my schedule. Here is it. We have all the calendars at once, so there's no need to stress yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, drop a comment. Your feedback will help us a lot, and subscribe so you will see our new videos as well. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.